Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. We have got a Durango today, and this one is by Matchbox. As you can see, it has opening doors. It's part of their moving parts lineup. This is a 2018 Durango, and it's a cop car. And it has got some good details inside. So let's just look at it, what it has got. And while I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, go hit the subscribe button. So I do like this car. I love the details on this one. This one is really good. I will shut the doors once I show you what's inside. So it reads Sheriff, Boone County. Because of the open doors, it might look a bit weird. So let's start from the front. Up front, good details. You've got a detailed headlamp, fog lamps, a front bumper guard, it's called. I don't know what's called. So you've got that. Again, it's obviously done in a paint job, which is used by sheriffs, whichever county it's based on. You've got both the mirrors. Again, good details. Now, let's go to the driver's side. Again, I do like the use of these wheels here, because most of the police cars and sheriff cars, they have hubcaps rather than having alloy wheels. So good on the side of Matchbox to catch those details. And as you can read on the side, it's a K9 police vehicle or sheriff vehicle. So there's a dog inside. Hey, it looks really cool. You see there's a dog inside. I do also like how the details on the windows are like some of the windows. They have metal around it, and then there's a small opening on the side. Feel free to cap here. Same goes for the rear. Again, good details on the rear. You can see detailed tail lamp. You can read the number plate, slow down, and even here it mentions the K9 Boone County. You also got the Durango written down there, and you got the twin exhaust and a tow hook. It's good details. Now, going on to the side, it's almost identical. The difference being the fuel filler cap. And up top, so you got the police lamps, no sunroof or anything, obviously. Let's close it now. You can see it reads Sheriff Boone County. I also like how the black trim goes all around the car. Looks good with the golden. Yeah. So overall, I like this casting. It's really good, and it doesn't have the issue I had with the Jeep Grand Cherokee which Matchbox did with opening doors. So if you haven't seen it, you can check it out too. But this one looks really good. Detailed door handles and everything looks really nice. Yeah, so if you can find one, I will say go grab this. This is a good casting and would fit perfectly if you have other cop cars in your collection. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.